Headaches can be common in children, but when a headache shows up after a bump, fall, or accident, it's something parents shouldn't brush off. In some cases, what seems like a simple headache can actually be an early sign of a traumatic brain injury. Brain injuries in children don't always look dramatic right away. Sometimes symptoms show up immediately, other times they develop slowly, over hours or even days. That's why it's important to pay attention to changes, even subtle ones. In addition to a headache, parents should watch for signs like nausea or vomiting, dizziness or trouble with balance, confusion or difficulty focusing, changes in mood or behavior, unusual fatigue, sensitivity to light or noise, or changes in sleep. Even if your child seems mostly okay, these signals matter. And we want parents to know this isn't just hypothetical. At the Button Law Firm, we've worked with families facing some of the most frightening head injury situations imaginable. In one case, a daycare called a mother and told her that her infant son had suddenly gone limp after a nap. At first, they tried to frame it as he had simply fallen back asleep, but something didn't feel right. She rushed to the daycare, and by the time she arrived, paramedics were there. Her baby was pale, unresponsive, and clearly in distress. Doctors later confirmed he had suffered a brain bleed, a traumatic brain injury caused by blunt force trauma. And when the full truth came to light, it was devastating. Surveillance footage revealed that the caregiver had violently mishandled the infant. This wasn't an accident. The brain injury was the result of daycare abuse and a complete failure to protect them. That family deserved answers, and they deserved accountability. If your child is exhibiting any of these symptoms, seeking medical attention right away is crucial. Early evaluation can help catch problems before they become more serious, especially in young, developing brains. If a head injury happened at daycare or another child care setting, you have a right to ask questions. Those facilities have a responsibility to keep children safe. And when supervision is lacking, safety rules aren't followed, or injuries are minimized, families have the right to demand answers. At the Button Law Firm, we've helped families whose children suffered head injuries that were initially downplayed, only for symptoms to appear later. We know how unsettling it can be for parents, and we hope you know that you don't have to navigate this alone. We're here to listen, help you understand what happened, and walk you through your options. And if you're not ready to reach out yet, that's okay. We've linked helpful resources below so you can take the next step at your own pace. At the Button Law Firm, we're here to keep you and your family moving forward.